Communications can frequently take place at night, when Telegram's bright white default look can be a little uncomfortable to use. Telegram supports dark mode with a variety of style to suit any late night chatting style. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram on your device. Tap on Hamburger menu at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings from the panel. On the Settings page, scroll downwards and tap on Chat Settings. Under Color Theme, switch to Night Mode. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to turn on dark mode on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.